our license plate. We haven't even gone wheeling here yet. Alright guys, Kevin and I are officially at the Trail Hero. It's Sand Hollow in Huracan, Utah, where, as I speak, Kevin is getting our new wheels and tires mounted and balanced. But, as you can see, I have this beautiful orange media vest, which, if you think it looks as great on me as I think it does, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. But, rather than filming Kevin mounting and balancing our new wheels and tires, I figured instead I'm gonna go film some rad rock race, because let's be honest, what's more exciting to watch? A couple of buggies flying over rocks, or tires getting mounted and balanced? Don't worry though, I promise I will show you which tires and wheels we ultimately decided to go with, so hang tight and enjoy the race. Starting out with a warm-up lap, and it's a 25-lap race from what I understand, of just non-stop, all of them going at the same time madness. I've never seen anything like this, so I'm actually pretty excited to see how rowdy it gets. Towards the end of the race. So we all escaped. Luckily, my good friend Troy, which if you guys will remember from our Holy Cross video, drives that super rad buggy JK, is here and gave me a ride back down to the main area. And now I'm on a mission to find Kevin, who is supposedly done mounting and balancing our new wheels and tires. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm super pumped to see how they look. There she is. You guys ready? So Kevin is officially back with our new wheels and tires mounted and balanced on the JL. And in case you guys hadn't figured it out already, we love the Milestar Patagonia tires so much that we stuck with them. We have the exact same tires on here that we have for the past couple of months. It's the 38 by 13.5 17 Milestar Patagonia MTs. And we just wanted to get a new fresh set on there to go with the new beadlocks. Now, as for the beadlocks themselves, Kevin and I decided to go with the Raceline RT232 Monster beadlocks. These in particular are aluminum with a steel ring, and we absolutely loved the look of these. On top of the fact that Raceline in general is an amazing company, but in particular, we loved the black barrel. We've got the red JL, we've got all the black accents, so we didn't want too much silver in there. So the black barrel with the black ring, it fit the look of the Jeep perfectly, and we are super in love. It looks super cool rolling down the road. Plus, for those of you who watched our final Rubicon Trail video, you'll understand that now that we have beadlocks, we hopefully won't experience any more de-beading. As Kevin showed us, is extremely possible and plausible when you're running non-beadlock wheels and low tire pressure. So, for rock crawling, these are a massive upgrade, and they are a really important one. Obviously, a de-beaded tire can strand you on a trail. So with these Racelines, plus of course our all-time favorite Milestar Patagonia tires, we are ready to continue rock and rolling, and hopefully the stepchild will be able to keep up with us.
That means 4 pots are gold, right?
So earlier, after setting up tent, Kevin and I got dressed up all nice and fancy. See, look, there's Kevin. Got dressed up all nice and fancy to go to a gala for the evening to help support Trail Hero and the great cause that they represent. Unfortunately, in the middle of that, a storm blew through, and I remember at one point in the party going, Kevin, we probably should have tied the tent down.
Well, we staked it down.
And the reason I had suggested that, because rather than our tent being right here where we had left it, it is now way over there with all of our stuff in it. And I am 99% certain, Kevin, right?
Yeah,
that everything is probably soaking wet.
Yeah, no.
Oh God,
Yeah.
this is gonna be so bad. Literally, the only good thing about all of this right now is you see this tree right here? This tree is a godsend, because if this tree hadn't have been there, that's a lake. Our tent would have just gone straight into the lake. I don't even want to know. Is it just a huge puddle? Oh God.
We're gonna need to find a washer and dryer and stuff.
Oh no. Oh God, there's one bag.
Actually, that bag's decently dry. Hold on.
Decently dry.
Hold on.
Oh no.
Hold on.
Wait, no, be careful, because mine, I think, is unzipped. Put pressure on the top as you roll it over.
It's not unzipped.
Oh, thank God I zipped it up. Woo hoo 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 hoo. Oh, great. It's all soaking wet.
No, just the top. Just this.
Just that? Just the top bits?
Hey, look, your pajama pants are dry.
Oh, thank God. It's the most important part. My fuzzy pajama pants. So, this is obviously a wonderful learning experience. When in doubt, or in any situation ever, just tie the tent down. Even if it's clear blue skies and sunny, tie the tent down.
I want to know where
Oh God, we're so lucky this tree was here, Kevin.
I know.
Otherwise, we'd be so screwed. Literally
That might
everything
be
would
the
be in the
best, 'cause
lake.
That's a lot of weight in there.
That's the thing. During the middle of this gale, I was like, Kevin, we probably should have tied the tent down, because that storm was pretty good. But then I was like, no, we've got literally all of our bags, easily probably a couple 100 pounds worth of crap weighing the tent down. So that had to have been one hell of a storm to sit there and trash everything. So yeah, future reference, learn from our mistake, tie your tent down.
Oh, my
No way. How's the towel dry? The towel wasn't inside a bag or anything. It was just laying on top of a sleeping bag. What? Oh, all the clothes that came out of your bag, they're still folded and dried. Cool. Look, because Kevin's bag was like wide open, so half his clothes are missing out of it. But hey, they're dry. And that's dry. Yeah, can you hear my teeth chattering? Actually surprised. This could have been way worse. I mean, literally, our whole tent, along with all of our belongings, could have been in the lake right now, just floating off in the middle of nowhere. Okay, so we've got all our stuff lined up on these picnic tables, and this is the dry and actually totally fine pile, which is good because it includes my bag and Kevin's main bag and at least one sleeping bag. And then this is the sopping wet / dirty / just wrecked. This is the totally wrecked pile, which is 2 sleeping bags, all of our pillows, all of my hoodies. How did all of my hoodies?
I don't know.
All right, let's see. This is our Coleman instant tent. Let's see if it survived. I don't think it did either. I think this is gonna be a disappointment. I mean, no way. Are the poles straight? Kevin! No way. Oh my God. No. No way. Kevin, all the poles are completely straight. This is insane.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Look at that. Our tent is somehow still in one piece, although there's a lot of water and dirt and disgustingness inside of it. So
But, I mean, no, if we had to sleep in it right now,
I mean, we could. We literally could, because we could. I mean, it might not be the cleanest or the most comfortable. There's all this sand just. Guys, this is the best worst case scenario, I guess. Is that what this is, Kev? No way.
So the clip for the rainfly held on, but
But the strap broke. There's the rainfly. Yeah, I'd say the rainfly is probably trash. Maybe. I can't believe our tent is still standing, Kevin. That is freaking
You just saw it, right?
freaking ridiculous. I can't make this up. This is ridiculous. I just want to point out how I'm dressed too, by the way, because I kid you not, we came straight from the gala where I dressed nicely, as in I put an actual dress on, and since Kevin somehow put all of my hoodies and jackets inside the tent, so they're all like wet at this point, I'm wearing a Bestop jacket right now, which is Kevin's and a little bit too big for me, and underneath it I'm wearing my dress, which I've tied up like this so that, you know, I'm not dragging it through the sand, and I have tennis shoes on. I am a sight to behold right now, you guys. This is ridiculous. This is so dumb. Look at our license plate. We haven't even gone wheeling here yet. I have no idea if we're gonna stay in the tent or not. Which, honestly, I have no problem staying in the tent because, again, it's in somehow one solid piece, but we don't have a rain fly, and it will more than likely rain again sometime tonight. So that's my only honest concern.
It's like midnight. What are you doing in the tent, Britt?
Trying to dry out as much as the water as I can. So
you want me to do it?
Huh?
Want me to do it?
No, I'm almost done.
Oh.
What do you mean you want me to do it? You sat here watching me for like 10 minutes. Don't get all chivalrous now that you've got the camera rolling, sir. Basically what we've decided that if we were to try to stay in the tent, we would have nowhere to hang up and attempt to dry any of our soaking wet things, which means they would just get gross and they'd start smelling and blah, blah, blah. So
You see those lights right there? There's hotels right across the lake over there. So, you know what?
we're taking the pansy way out. We're gonna stay in a hotel room, dry all of our crap out, clean out the tent,
And relax.
and relax. We're not gonna stress. This is, yeah. So here is our hotel room. Got soggy clothes, soggy pillows. I've pulled out all the clothes of my bag since some of them are damp and my bag is soaking wet. Pillowcases. Not even worried about the tent right now. That actually is mostly dry. So is Kevin's other bag. I don't know how Kevin's stuff all stayed dry. It's mostly my stuff. Hoodie, super sopping wet pillow, all of the sleeping bags. I'd say for the most part, crisis relatively averted. Again, super lucky with the tent and honestly with most of the clothes and the fact that a tree saved us from losing literally all of our belongings into the lake. So, not a bad night.